Hello, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to tell you how to download Android Studio and getting started with Android Studio developing new app. For today, let us first search for the Android Studio latest version download it from the official website of Android developer android.com. Let me click on this link below. Yes, this is the latest version nowadays. Like, get the official integrated development environment for Android app development. I have already downloaded it. You can download from this link. Download Android Electric Eel. So after when you download it, then it will look like this window. Okay, it's Android Studio Electric Eel version 2022 patch 2. Okay. So first, when you are going to get started, I have already worked on lots of projects, so it will be empty. First of all, if you want to create the project, these are the plugins, and you can learn from Android Studio from here and customize. You can customize your Android Studio using this, and I have already customized it. Like, I'm using high contrast theme, and there are so many plugins I have installed already. This is the marketplace. And then after creating, I will tell you that what kind of plugins you must install. So first of all, let us create new project. For this, there are many available templates like activities, but we are going to take empty activity. And then next, click on next. After that, you have to give the name of the application, like I'm saying app, my app. Okay. And then these are basically the package name, like number of classes are contained in this package name. And save location, the location in which it's going to save, like you can also change this location from this button. And save location and language. There are two languages, we know that in Android we have Kotlin and Java, and I'm going to select this Java option. Then minimum SDK, which is going to be in which apps, like this app is going to run in which operating system mobiles, like it will run on approximately 94.4% of devices. And let me select the Android Jelly Bean version, and it's going to run on approximately 100% of devices. Okay, so let me select this and then click on finish. After finishing, like, it's going to build some Gradle files, and then over app basic design. When we have this, like when the project is created, there are only two files. The basic one is an XML file, and the other one is the Java file. In Java file, we basically give the functionality and behavior of the app. And this is when after first it built, this is the first syntax or file we have. We have some import libraries which we import here. And this is the override on create method, which is created when we first create any app. And the activity XML file, it will take some time to load if your laptop is a little bit like slow. Or you can customize it. I will tell you how to customize your Android from very beginning. Okay, so it's a Gradle project signed, and here is the project hierarchy, app hierarchy. We have the manifest file, Java file, the resource folder, and in resource folder we have number of other files. I will explain you one by one. And this is the Gradle scripts, and you don't need to understand them in deep detail, very much detail. So this is the design part. Okay, so the first screen which is appeared here is, we can say, the activity, main activity. And there is just one, we can say this is a text view. Okay, we have number of palettes here. which we can drag and drop here. Like we have text, buttons, widgets, layout, container here in palette. We can drag and drop and create the layout, or we just can code using this code section. We have three sections. We can split the design as well as code. And here is the code. I'm not going in the detail of code. I'm just telling you how to use Android Studio, and this is the design. Feels like you can design just by giving it drag and drop one. For example, if I drag just the button here or something like that, so I can drag and drop like this and can design whatever I want. And this is the XML layout file, and the other one is the Java file. We know that I already told you that this is the main functionality of the app. And here we have an Android manifest file. In an Android manifest file, we have all the detail of app, like what will be the icon, what will be the label, what will be the main activity. This is the intent filter. Intent filter is basically that this is the main screen, splash screen, launcher screen, and this is basically the data extraction rules and all the other backup details, and all the details of this app is in there. This is the manifest file, and then we have the Java files. Okay, in Java file we have main activity, this one, and then in resource we have basically the drawable. In drawable files we have all the images or other stuff we need. Here it is all the details of this. See, this is the image, so we can paste all the images in this drawable folder. In future I will tell you how to use and any image, how can you use this drawable to insert any image. And then there's layout, and layout we have main XML file, this one, which I already told you that this is the main front end of the app. And then in MIP map, we have the main icon. IC launcher is basically the main app icon, which is visible in the front. We know that these are two samples of it, like round, and this is round, and this is the other sample. And in values, we basically have the colors which we can give to our application. Like we can already declare it, like for example, I want a color. I can already define it and can use it later in my during coding. Like if I'm saying it like I use red color, so I can here I can define that what kind of color I want. Okay? For example, if I'm saying 3Fs, so it is white. I can change it from here by just selecting the color I want, and I'm saying that I want red. So this is the red color code, and this is how I can define the number of colors I'm using in my app. And in string XML, I will define every string, every kind of string, the text I'm using, or I have to convert it into the soft form. The string itself is in a hard form, and I have to convert it in string form, so I will define here later. And then this is the theme, and theme has basic, like I can say that colors and background colors, and what kind of theme I'm using is material component. I can change it from here, the settings. Like if I want app compact, I can change it from here, saying app compact. And dark, there are many other available options I can choose to make to change the theme of my app. And this is the XML. In XMLs we have other files, like there are some backup rules, some rules are written here, and this is not much needed. So today I hope you learned something about file hierarchy and all the Android basic, how to get start with using Android. So hope this video finds you helpful. Up till now, bye bye.